first graders! Welcome to your lesson 25 sound spelling card lesson. This week we have a new sound spelling card. It is the owl card. The owl card is going to help us with the sound ow. And there are two spellings that you need to learn. However, you've seen both of these spellings already. You saw the spelling OU last week when you learned the moon card. So OU can make the sound oo, like the moon card. And it also makes the sound ow from the owl card. So when you're reading a word, you're going to want to try both of the sounds and see which one makes the most sense. The other spelling for the owl card, OW, you've also seen that before. You saw that when we practiced the ocean card. So sometimes OW can make the sound O from the ocean card, and sometimes it makes the sound ow from the owl card. You'll notice that I've got the line after the OU spelling. That means that when you see the OU spelling at the end of the word, it doesn't make the ow sound. If it makes the ow sound, it will not be at the end of a word. OW can be at the beginning of the word, middle of the word, or the end of the word. OU is not going to be at the end of the word if it makes the ow sound. It'll be in the beginning or in the middle, but it will not be at the end of the sound, so at the end of the word. So that will hopefully help you when you're reading a word or when you're trying to spell a word, deciding which of those spellings to use. So we're going to do some practice. If you have your whiteboard and your marker ready, you can practice these words with me. If you don't, go ahead and pause the video now, go grab your whiteboard, and then you can write along with me. So let's get started practicing some words. The first word we're going to practice names an animal that lives on the farm, and that word is the word cow. So if you're practicing at home, say the word cow. The sounds in the word are k, ow. Only two sounds in the word, k, ow. There's the word cow. The next word that we're going to practice is the word that describes the thing you might do if you're trying to get someone's attention. You would shout. So say the word shout and say the sounds in the word sh, out. This time that spelling is in the middle of the word, so it could be either one of the spellings. Sh, out. There you go. Is the word shout. The next word that you're going to write is the word that would describe the opposite of a smile. This is the word frown. Frown. So say the word frown. And the sounds are frown. Frown. Four sounds in this word. It starts with a blend. Ow is in the middle of the word. So it can be either one of those spellings. And it is that spelling. Own. Frown. Another word that we're going to practice is the word that describes those white things that you sometimes see up in the sky. And that's the word cloud. Cloud. So the sounds are k, l, ow, d. Cloud. First sound, k, l. Ow is in the middle, so it can be either one of those spellings. And it is ow, d, cloud, cloud. There's one more word that we're going to practice, and it's the word that describes what a dog might do if it sees a stranger. When a dog sees a stranger, it might growl, growl. So the sounds in the word are g, r, ow, g, r, owl, growl. Starts with the blend, g, r. That ow sound is in the middle, so it can be either one of those spellings. Guess what spelling it is? It is O-W. Growl. Growl. So there are some words for you to practice. You've also got your spelling list on the Google site for our classroom. Do your best when you try to take your spelling pre-test today, and then good luck practicing this week before your spelling post-test on Friday. Bye!